Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. For this video we're going to be walking through some functionality of the quote line editor, the QLE. This is something if you're working in CPQ org, you need to know backwards, forwards, you need to know that's everything there is to know about this. So we're going to go through some functionality, do some quality of life changes. We're going to start off on the quote and then go into the field sets, change some stuff in the line editor, so that it'll make it easier for our users to kind of customize stuff on the QLE. And then we're going to go into the quote line object, add some field sets there. So first things first, let's go take a look at a quote here. So we're in the Salesforce CPQ application. Just going to pull up the quote, edit lines. So this is what our QLE looks like right now. Not much really going on. So what you're going to see is there's going to be some field set changes up at the top here. You can see my cursor. And then when we go in to add a product right now, we got our product over here. We've got different things already set up here, but it's gonna look a little different when we're done. So first things we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the setup, go into Object Manager. We're gonna go into the quote object, quote, and we're gonna go into field sets. I'm gonna go into the line editor. So this is the line editor. This is that up top portion I was pointing to before. So this is going to be pulling data or updating fields on the opportunity object in the quote line editor. All right, so let's see. I'm going to add an additional discount, start date. I'm going to have, maybe we have some subscription products. We want to have the start date up there. The updated end date, throw that in there, start date, end date, the subscription term in there for our subscription products. So if we want to add an additional discount to the entire quote, we can use this. All right, let's see, that's it. Let's save. Okay, now we're going to go into the quote, I guess, real quick, just to see if those changes took effect. Edit lines, and here we are. So we got our start date, end date, additional discount, and subscription term. And you can reorder these any way you like. So yeah, it's just a lot more customization. We can bring in our product. We can duplicate it a few times. 10% discount. And CPQ is so cool, it retroactively updates that. Quick save. Yep, so there it is, taking 10% off there, off of the whole. We can update our quantity, 3, quick save, net price, see all this stuff. Just CPQ is just incredible. All this is doing all these calculations in the back. It's bringing the quantity in to our net total with the discount applied as well. And it's just incredible. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into the quote line object. So this is the quote line object down here. You see these fields, additional discount here. I already got that in there. So we can add other stuff, but we're going to add some more fields in there. So we're going to go into the object manager. We're going to go into the quote line object. We're going to do a similar kind of thing. We're going to go into the quote line object. We're going to go into field sets, line editor, and we already got additional discount in there. Let's bring in the start date. Start date for subscription products, end date, start date, end date. And then these are all the other fields that you can add to if you want. So you can really go get pretty complex with a lot of this stuff. We're going to hit save. And we're going to go back into here, go back to quotes, refresh, take a look and see, go back to our quote, edit lines. Okay, so there's our new field, start date, end date. And then we've got our discount already populated there. We can individually go in and say, since you're getting 3 of these, we can do another 15. So 15%, quick save, so we get even more of a discount. So you can kind of see this functionality is just incredible. CPQ is just mind-blowing, the stuff it can do. We're just getting started. So now your user interface is much more user-friendly. Got all kinds of stuff when you get into subscription products and different things like that. You can edit start date, end date, and like I said, these fields retroactively update the product opportunity record. They don't touch the product record, obviously. When we create the products, we've got our subscription terms on the products, all the prices and everything. That doesn't change on the original products, obviously. So, and I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much.